Okay, dear students, welcome back to the channel Academy Master, and today we are going to continue with exercise 5.2 which we did in the last class. Okay, so exercise 5.2, what is exercise 5.2? We have done some part of the questions. Okay, now today we are going to start with question number 4. Okay, question number 4, what does it says? It says which term of the AP is 78. So the question is which term of the AP, okay, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 dash is 78. So this is the questions. It's given, very simple it is. Okay, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to write the given AP are, the given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 dash like this. So as I have already told you that what the first term is considered as A1. So we'll write here, or A equals to 3. Common difference, how to find out? I have taught you common difference equals to A2 minus A1. So what is A2 here? 8, and what is A1 here? 3. So you will find out 5. Got it? Now another thing it is given here, that is what? AN. So we'll write here AN equals to, what is AN's? Okay, nth term is given, that is what? 78. So we have written here 78. Now we'll use the formula. We have the formula, that is what? AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN, how much we have? 78. So we'll substitute 78. A, how much we have? A equals to 3. N, we don't know, we are going to find it out, minus 1, and D is how much? 5. So we'll write here 5. So 78, this 3 you transfer it this side, so it becomes what? Minus 3, and multiply it now, then 5 into N minus 1. So 78 minus 3, 75. This 5 is multiplied, if it comes this side then divide, so N minus 1, so it will comes to 15. So 15 and N minus 1 is there, so this when you bring it this side, so it will become plus 1 equals to N, so N equals to 16. So the value of N, which term is equals to 78? The term whose value is 78 is 16th term value is 78. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, 5th, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this it will go. The 16th term will be how much? 78. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can take it down. We'll move on to the next question, question number 5. Okay, you can pause it and then take it down. Okay, dear students, some of you were complaining that sir, you are not uploading the video for class 10. So for that I thought of making it. I was a little busy with class 11 and 12. Anyway, no problem, dear students, don't worry, we'll do it. So the next question is what? Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. So question is find the number of terms in each of the following AP. So that means they have given 1 or 2 APs. There we have to find out the number of terms. The first AP is they have given is 1 equals to 7, 13, 19, 7, 13, 19 dash to 209. 209 or 205? 205. So 205. So again here also same way, dear students. So if you have understood the earlier lecture, you can pause the video and you can try by yourself. Okay, try it. So the given AP is 7, 13, 19, that's the 205. Okay, these are the things which is given here. Okay, so you can write that, that's also no problem. Okay, So here again same thing. What is our first term? The first term is this one. So a equals to 7, d equals to a2 minus a1. So this is our a1 and this is a2, this is a3. So a2 is 13 minus 7, how much it will come? 6. Next, an, they have given how much? Nth term, that is 2 not 5. Okay, done. Now we are going to find out the n terms. They are telling find the number of terms. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is how much? 2 not 5. A is how much? 7. So n minus 1, and d is how much? D, you can see d we got how much? 6. So 6, 2 not 5, and this 7 you bring this side. So minus 7, n minus 1 into 6. So if you minus it for 15, then it will be 8. This one will be 9, and this one will be 1. So n minus 1 into 6. So this 6 you bring this side, it is multiply here. If it comes this side, then divide 198 divided by 6. So n minus 1. So cut it. 6 3 is 18, and then 6 3 is 18. So 33 equals to n minus 1. In the next step, what you will be doing here, students, you bring this 1 this side, so you will get n equals to 33 plus 1, which is equals to 34. So the number of term here is how much? 34. Okay, so you can take it down quickly, dear students. Okay, so hope you have taken down. All of you need to start practicing properly, dear students. Okay, if you are not practicing, you will suffer. Okay, 18 comma 15 and a half, then it is 13 going to minus 47. Got it? So we have gone up to minus 47. Okay, so same way here also, write it. The given AP is the given AP is 18. This one will have 15, 30, 31. So 31 by 2. This one is 13. Dash this way. So right here A equals to 18. D equals to A2 minus A1. As I've been telling you again and again, A2 is this, A1 is this one. So A2 is 31 by 2 minus 18. So it comes to 136 by 2. So it will be how much? Minus 5 by 2. So we got the value of D how much? Minus 5 by 2. And we already have the value of AN, that is minus 47. So let's start this one. Sums. An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An we have minus 47, A we have 18, n we are looking for, and D is equals to minus 5 by 2. So this 18 you bring this side, so 47 minus 18. So 47 minus 18, and this side it will be minus 5 by 2. So if you do it, then 7 plus 8, 5, and 4 plus 1, 5, on 6, 65. Okay, now you see 5 by 2. So the denominator will cross multiply, that means denominator will come here, and this numerator will come and divide here. So it will be n minus 1, minus minus cancel. 5 13 are 65. So 13 into 2 is how much? 26. N minus 1. So n equals to, you will get 26 plus 1, which is equals to 27. So the number of terms here we have is how much? 27. So dear students, you can pause the video and you can take it down. Now we shall move to the next question. Question number 6. Okay, so question number 6, let's start. Check whether 1 minus 150 is a term of AP or not. So question is, check whether check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP (11, 8, 5, 11, 8, 5, 2). Okay, so they're telling us to find out whether this minus 150 it will be a term of this AP or not. We have to find it out. Okay, so fine, no problem, we can do that. So if you want to try, you can pause the video and you can try it. It will be better. That is the best way of learning. So we'll start the solutions, dear students. So what we'll do, the given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2, this way. So here our first term is 11. D will be equals to A2 minus A1. So this is A2, A1. So 8 minus 11 is equals to minus 3. And AN equals to minus 150. Okay, fine, done. So again, same method we are going to do. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, so in the next, what we are going to do, we are going to substitute the value of AN. We have minus 150, and then A we have 11, N we are not knowing, D we have minus 3. So minus 150 minus 11, N minus 1 into minus 3. If you add it, you will get 161. So the N minus 1 into minus 3. So this minus 3 you bring this side. So 161 by minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Cancel it. Okay. In the next step, what you will be doing, dear students, this minus 1 you will take that side. So it will be 161 by 3 plus 1 equals to N. So 161 LCM if you take, then it will be 3 by 3 equals to 1. So add it, 164 divided by 3 equals to 1. Divided, so 53 5s are 15, 1 and 3 4s are 12, 2 by 3. So this one cannot, this minus 150 cannot be the term of this AP. Why? Because this is we are getting a we are not getting a natural number. This is not a natural number. Okay, so we'll write hence 54 2 by 3 is not a natural number. Therefore minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Got it? So we got a mixed number and it is not a natural number. So this minus 150, it is not a term of the given AP. Okay, dear students, so take it down properly. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me refill my marker because the quality is getting a little bit poor. Okay, so hope you have taken down, dear students. Now let us move on to the next questions. Okay, so question number 7, find the 31st term. Like this kind of question is important. Okay, find the 31st term. Okay, find the 31st term of an AP. Find the 31st term of an AP where 11th term is 38, where 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73, and the 16th term is 73. Okay, fine. So this is the questions given. They are asking us to find out the 31st term of an AP. Okay, in that AP the 11th term is how much? 38, and the 16th term of this AP is how much? 173. This is given. So let us write first. Given, what is given? A11th. 11th term is A11 equals to 38, and here it is given A16th equals to 73. This is given, right? Alright. Now A11th, how we write? We have the formula A and n minus 1 into d equals to 38. So A we don't know. N is how much? An in place of n, what is given? 11. So we write here 11 minus 1 into d equals to 38. So it will be A plus 10d equals to 38. Question number 1. Next, what we are going to do? A plus n minus 1 into d equals to 73, and and here we'll write here what? A plus n minus, so n ka value is 16 minus 1 into d equals to 73. A plus 15 d equals to 73. Question number 2. So A11 equals to 38. So we have got the equation what? A plus 10d equals to 38, and here we have got what? A16. A plus 15d equals to 73. Now what we will be doing, dear students, we will be subtracting. We are going to use the elimination methods. Okay, so we'll write subtracting equations 1 and 2. So subtracting equation 1 and 2, so what you will do? A plus 15d equals to 73, A plus 10d equals to 38. So subtraction means sign will change. So here it is plus, it will become minus, plus minus, here it is plus, so it will be minus. A and A will be cancelled. 15d minus 10d, it will be 5d, and 73 minus 38, it will be equals to 5 and 6. So d equals to, you are getting 35 by 5, which is equals to 7. So d equals to 7 you got. Now you substitute this d value in equation number 1. So you write here putting d equals to 7 in equation number 1. So when you are putting d equals to 7 in equation number 1, A 10 into d 7 equals to 38. So A equal plus 70 equals to 38. Now this 70 you move this side, so A equals to 38 minus 70. So you are getting how much? Minus minus 38 you will be getting minus 2 and 6 3 32. So minus 32 you are getting as the value of A. Got it, dear students? So the value of A here you got how much? Minus 32, and D value we got it how much? The value of D here we got it as 7. So hope you have done this. Now what we have to find? We have to find A 31st term. So take it down this one quickly. Hope you have taken down. Then after this we are going to find out what? A 31st term. So A 31st equals to A n minus 1 into D. So A, how much we got? Minus 32. N is how much? 31 minus 1. Whatever here it will be given, that is n. Okay. So n 31 minus 1, and D the value is how much? 7. So 7. So it will be minus 32. 30 into 7. So it will be minus 32 plus 2 1 0. Then next what you will be getting? 8 and 1 10, then 7 1. So you are getting how much? A 31st term is how much? 178. Okay, students, so you can take it down quickly. Okay, pause the video and take down. Okay. Next we are going to do question number 8. Okay, so question number 8 says an AP consists of 50 terms. Okay, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which the third term is 12. They have given, the question is little lengthy, I am not writing. So here the number of term is how much? 50, and the third term they have given A3 equals to, the third term is 12. So we'll write here A3 equals to 12, and the last term is and the last term is 106. So how many terms it is there? Dear students, first of all they have said an AP consists of 50 terms. So the last term is what? A50 equals to 106. Okay. Find the 29th term. So they are telling us to find out the 29th term. Means A29 equals to, they are telling us to find. So it is just like previous questions only. So you will write here A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 12. So A and n is here how much? 3. 3 minus 1 into D equals to 12. A plus 2D equals to 12. So equation number 1. Here you will write A50 equals to 106. So here it will be A n minus 1 into D equals to 106. A plus 50 minus 1 into D equals to 106. A plus 49D equals to 106. So this one we got it, equation 1, and this is equation number 2. Like we have done previous questions, subtracting equation 1 and 2. Okay, subtracting equations 1 and 2. So when you are subtracting equation 1 and 2, let's keep the bigger one on the top. 49D equals to 106, and here it will be how much? A plus 2D equals to 12. So change the sign. When you are subtracting, you have to change the sign. Plus minus minus, it will become plus, will become minus. 49 minus 2D equals to 47D. 106 minus 12, so it will be 4 and 10, so 9. Okay, yeah, so D will be equals to 94 by 47. so it will be going 2 times. So d you got how much? 2. So similarly we'll substitute this value of d in any one of the equation, either in 1 or 2, and you will get it the value of a. So you write putting d equals to 2 in equation number 1. So when you put d equals to 2 in equation number 1, a plus 2 into 2 equals to 12, then equation 1 implies, okay, then it will be equals to what? A plus 4 equals to 12, a equals to 12 minus 4, which is equals to 8. So now we got the value of a and d, okay. Now easily we can find it out, what? A29. So A29 will be equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a, how much we are getting? 8. So 8. And what is the value of n we have? We have 29 here, n, and d value we got 2. So 2. So 8 plus 28 into 2. So 8 plus 16, 4, 5, 56. So you add it 4 and then 64. Okay, so if you add 16 and 4, 5, and then add it 4 and then 6, yeah, so we got a 29th term, how much? 64. So this is your a 29th term. So dear students, I hope you are understanding this kind of questions. If it comes in your exam, it will be coming for around 3 marks, okay. And even if suppose this is there in the syllabus or not there in the new syllabus, you have to check it out. And for that, if you don't know, then you have to check out my videos where I have properly described about the included and the deleted portions for this year. But you need to know this, because in the higher studies, if you are taking maths, it will be needed, okay. So pause the video and you can take it down, and then we shall move on to the next questions. Question number 9. So question number 9 here, what does it says? If the third and the ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8, that means we can write here given straight away, the third term is 4 and the ninth term is minus 8 respectively. They have given, okay. What they are asking us to find? Which term of the AP is 0. So they are telling us to find out the terms whose whose n equals to 0. Okay, so here they have given us an equals to 0. That one we have to find it out, okay. So fine. So first of all, again same thing, a3 equals to 4 it is given. So we'll start with the same thing, a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 4. So a ka value we don't know, n is how much? 3. 3 minus 1 into d equals to 4. So a to d equals to 4, equation number 1. Now why we are doing these things, dear students? Because we don't have the value of a and d, and without having the value of a and d, you cannot find out anything, okay. So in the here ninth term, so here we write a n minus 1 into d equals to minus 8. So a and n is here what? 9. So 9 minus 1 into d equals to minus 8. So a 8d equals to minus 8 equals to question number 2. Now what you are going to do? You are going to subtract as usual. So we'll write here subtracting equations 1 and 2. So when you are subtracting equation 1 and 2, you will write it any equations, you will write it up and down, no problem. So a plus 2d equals to 4, minus, and here it will be minus. So cancel. 8 minus 6, it will 8 minus 2, it will be 6d, and here it will be minus 12. So d equals to minus 12 by 6, it will be equals to minus 2. Okay, so we got d equals to minus 2. Now this d value you will substitute in any one of the equations to get the a. So we'll write here putting d equals to minus 2 in equation number 1. So equation 1 implies a plus 2 into minus 2 equals to 4. So a minus 4 equals to 4. So a equals to 4 plus 4, which is equals to d. So a ka value we got how much? D. A ka value we got 8 and d ka value we got minus 2. So we have to find out an equals to 0. So we have to write a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 0. So they are telling us to find out which term of the AP will be 0. So that means n they are telling us to find out. We have a equals to how much? 8. N we don't know. What is the value of b? We have minus 2 equals to 0. So this 8 you take it this side. So it will become what? Minus 8. N minus 1 into minus 2 equals to minus 8. So n minus 1 and this minus 2 you bring this side. It is multiplied. If it comes this side, it will be divide. Minus minus cancel, 2 4s are, and then next it will be n and it is minus 1. So bring it this side. So 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. That means the fifth term of the AP will be having value 0. Okay. Which term of the AP will be having the value 0? The fifth term of the AP will have the value 0. Okay. So quickly you can pause the video and take it down. Okay, now we shall go for question number 10th. Okay, fine. So question number 10th we are going to do now. Question number 10th. Question, what does it say? The 17th term of the AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. Okay, find the common difference. So in this, what we have to do is, it is given in the questions. Okay, let and all, assumption and all, no need to write. We know that A is the first term, B is the common difference. All these things we know. We don't need to write those things. Okay, so directly we write as per questions. Okay, as per questions, what it is said, 17th term. So 17th term means A17 equals to exceed the 10th term of the AP by 7. That means A10 plus 7. Okay, means A17 is equals to A10 plus 7. Okay, that is the meaning of it. So they are telling us what? Find out the common difference. Very simple it is. So we'll write it A here n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. A n minus 1 into d plus 7. So A n is how much here? 17 minus 1 into d. Here A, and here n is how much? 10. 10 minus 1 into d plus 7. So A 17 minus 1, it will be 16d, and here A 10 minus 1, 9d plus 7. Okay, so you bring this, all this thing this side, so it will be A plus 16d, and this one if I bring this side minus, this one also if I bring this side minus 9d equals to 7. So A cancels, 16 minus 9, that is equals to how much? 7d equals to 7. So d equals to 7 divided by 7, which is equals to 1. So this is the value of the question number 10. So dear students, since the videos is getting very lengthy, so we'll wind up here for today. We will be concluding it here. And dear students, I just want to make a request from all of you that please, all of you, if you like the efforts which I'm making and if you want me to continue in the futures, because one single subscriptions which you will be doing, that will be very helpful and very encouraging for me. So please don't forget to, till now if you have not subscribed the videos or channels, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends as much as you can. Okay dear students, because these efforts of yours will encourage me to upload more and more good quality videos for you. Okay, so thank you so much and study hard.